So I'm going to assume most of us are on Facebook, right? And sometimes we get these cheesy advertisements. This time it's for a 12,000 lumen headlamp. Looks pretty cool. So I clicked on it to, well, check out the website. It was for about 30 bucks. And of course they're trying to scare you into buying it. Only 9 more left or whatever. And you do get the headlamp, 2 batteries, a wall charger, and this charger and that charger. Had a neat little video to go with it to show how good it is. And I hope I get these kind of results if I buy it. After all, it got some pretty good reviews, but again, these reviews came from that website. 2 weeks later, I get this package. Am I a sucker or not? You know, they just drop it down on the floor right by your front door, and then they ring the doorbell and they run away. That's what happened. So everything as advertised came into the box. It was time to charge her up. Okay, we will enter the pitch black walk-in closet. And again, it is totally black, pitch black in here. And looks like, it doesn't look like it's as good as the 511 DXBT 20,000 lumen, but it is pretty bright for just being 12,000 lumens. So let's take it outside. Before it turns dark, I just wanted to show you some of the trees that we're going to test the flashlight on. Okay, I'm back, and tonight we'll go back outside and test out this headlamp, this 12,000 lumen headlamp, and see if it's really worth the 29 something dollars, right? So I'll see you in a little while. Okay, we're outside and it's pretty much pitch black. So let's turn on the headlamp. This is the big tree on the side of our yard. This is my neighbor's tree across the street. There's my other neighbor's tree. There's this one. And the trees behind my neighbor's house. I'm impressed. Okay, we're back in a nice warm house. It's actually like 48 degrees out there. I know some of you folks up north think that's nothing, but here in Texas that's something. But I guess I'll let you be the judge. I haven't seen the film on the camera yet. I think it's worth it. I mean, did I get suckered? I don't know, for $29 and something cents. And then I just got off the computer a minute ago, and guess what? Rats. Now I found an LED headlamp with 40,000 lumens. That's right. Am I gonna buy one of these things? Well, folks, until next time, you guys take care. I'm Francis Kiefel, and I approved this video.